put it on You've Been Framed.
Young Smut is preparing the bonfire. There he is.
We better do it right now, it's being filmed.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you get it wrong, it's going on You've Been Framed.
He's going on YouTube, Lewis.
And You've Been
Good idea, actually.
Yeah.
Smith, just fall on fire when you light it or something.
Just stand on top of it.
Yeah, that'll go on You've Been Framed on YouTube.
Yeah.
Idiot. Doing the bonfire roll.
Yeah, like Wicker Man.
Bet there'll be a lot of them.
We used
Come
to
on.
know this lad who used to love to stand on top of
Yeah, Leachy.
the beach.
We could do with him now. Oh, look at that, look, chicken stuff. Come on then, get it lit. Come on, get it lit, I'm freezing.
We could send this in somewhere and get him done for it, you know what I mean?
Come on, get it lit.
You can see.
He is. Chill out, Papa.
They don't know what to do. They don't know about matches these days, John, do they?
Yeah.
Huh? They've got it too easy. It's away. Blimey. Huh?
That's a wall.
I'll get to that in a minute.
That's lit. Excuse me, young man. Don't get it late at camera. Look at that, look. This will be on. It'll be on calendar. The fire engine's
Put away a
turned
bit
up.
more thinners really to get it going.
That's our ironing board.
Is it?
55-year-old, first one we got.
Is it?
Blimey. Huh?
We just got a new one today.
Yeah.
It's tiny.
You don't believe in spending then, John?
How are we now?
Pull it out, pull it out. Say you made a mistake, pull it out.
What's getting caught? You can hear it. Smush is a pure fire starter.
We could do with a bit more love
Bit
juice
more
to keep
warm
her
just
going.
then.
There's a fire starter, a fire
You got any
starter.
more?
Just hold your tongue, young man. Huh?
It'll get going.
It won't. We need something.
Oh, you're not a professional fire starter, are you?
I told you.
If it goes out, put it on You've Been Framed.
Yeah.
And
I said to
YouTube.
our
Yeah.
businesses, make sure you bring your matches with you, because I've seen Smush lighting things up before.
Dreadful.
Oh, here we go.
And you got any garage?
Like the old one.
What's the matter with it? It'll catch.
It's gonna go
You can
out.
see some of it's lit.
Yeah, but it's
It
gonna
gets
go
on
out.
the
Isn't it?